Welcome back. This is the first video on data structure, and today's topic is linked list. First, we should know what is linked list, and the second question is that why should we care to learn it? Means why linked list is necessary in storing data. Let's see this video. This is about a hard disk rotating at 5400 RPM with a head here that can read or write on the tracks of this disk. So you see that the head is performing some read or write operation on the tracks, and also you notice that it is changing tracks without any pattern. This means that the data becomes scattered here and there. One more thing, when the head is not reading or writing data, the disk still rotates. Now I will show you an animation of writing data on this track. We have 4 files to write. You see, the head is writing the data in chunks that are not adjacent to each other. Why? Because arrival times of the bits of these files are not in fixed intervals, and the disk keeps rotating without caring for the read-write operation. So, there are vacant spaces between these chunks. Now let us suppose we have a song file to write. At this moment, the whole song file is ready to be written. We will see how this song file is being written in the vacant spaces. I will color it in red. You can see that the bits of the song file are not contiguous. Whenever the head is above a vacant space, it writes the song file's bits. The red song file has been fragmented. Let's draw 2 more tracks with fragments of the song file. This is the beginning of the file, and this is the end of the file. This is fragment 1, this is fragment 2, fragment 3, fragment 4, and fragment 5. This A1 is the starting address of the fragment 1. Similarly, these are the starting addresses of other fragments. We are not interested with the end addresses of these fragments for the time being. Only the starting addresses will do. Now, if your media player wants to play this song without any interrupt, these fragments must be linked somehow, right? The media player starts reading the bits like this. And it must stop here, because this is the last bit of the fragment F1. Now see that the next bit of this song file is at A2, which is the first bit of F2. So somehow, if we can write the address A2 over here, then the player can jump from this location to this location. It will look something like this. A similar technique can be applied to the other locations like this. When the player reads the mark E, which is the end of the file marker, it knows that this is the end of the file and stops playing. So, we got a list. And the items are the file fragments. And also, these fragments are linked sequentially. and thus we got linked list. Now I hope it's clear what a linked list is and also its necessity in storing the data. In the next video, we will see graphically how a linked list looks like. Okay? Take care.